My life's pictures painted with smiles and frowns. Daddy smiling in your face, but then he's beating you down. Mama got tired of it, so we packed up and left. Headed to the dirty south, which is my place of rest. But life didn't turn all peaches and cream. Mama got hooked on drugs, turned into a fiend. Had to turn to the streets at such a young age. Little kid walking around, heart full of rage. Always acting out of school, dog getting in trouble. Walk around with the click, dog looking for trouble. Moved back to Dade County where things got rowdy. It seems like problems just seem to surround me. Hanging out with the wrong crowd, puffing the white. To be honest with you, yeah, I knew about Christ and how he sacrificed and gave up his life. But to me, it meant nothing, man. I had no care. Growing up in this world, dawg, life wasn't fair. Got sick at 16 with a kidney problem. Gotta take medication, hoping it solves the problem. Got mad at the world, bumped into this girl who had a little girl. Man, they changed my world. She was looking for a mister. I was looking for a missus. Man, you get the drift. There's no need to stress it. Introduced me to God, man. That was a blessing. Around the same time, mama went to rehab. It's been a few years. She refuses to relapse. I just hope to God that she keeps up the fight and keeps her guards up for the sake of her life. At the age of 20, dog, my kidneys failed. On dialysis, but all is well. A little bit about my life. Don't be surprised. It's your boy Doc Freeze. Take a look through my eyes.